All kind of new madman this in a beer. I wish new madman this in a beer. This not gonna work, you know. Yo, hey. It's a new,
Well,
new madman in a beer.
Well, let me kill her. Well, let me kill her.
Hey, super cool Jamaica, and we are here in Shamshop Square, and we are here with Randy's Jerk Chicken. That's a jerk chicken. So Mr. Randy, what's going on, man? I hear that you have the best jerk chicken in Mobay. So Randy, tastes so good. So Randy, what make your jerk chicken taste so good?
The season will marinate and things from overnight and you understand?
Oh, the season marinated and
Yeah man, well blend up and all these things.
well blend up, so no special, no secret, nothing.
Yeah man, secret that me alone now, you know?
Okay, Mr. Randy, we hardly can hear you, but make we have a look at the chicken.
Yeah man.
So what's the cost? What's the cost?
Yeah man, 700 a part, you know?
700. So you're on the ends also, so we can call and order chicken and all these things.
Not as yet.
Not as yet. Okay, 700. Let me see. So let me get a let me try a piece of the breast. Chop it up and put a little sauce on it. You have any special sauce?
Yeah man, jerk sauce.
Okay. So we're gonna have a taste of Randy's jerk chicken now and see if it's the best jerk chicken in Shamshop Square. I'm gonna have it now. You don't have to. No, don't give me any bread. Just the chicken. We're not here for the bread. All the way from Portmore, we have to come to Mobay to try out Randy's jerk chicken. See him on Instagram and say we have to come and test it out, alright? Let me get a fork.
They don't know one little piece of chicken in there, give me 7 bills worth. Then I'm still give it to me 7.
She wanna see our chicken, Randy. Look like you put piece on it.
I don't want no bread. I want a little bit of ketchup.
Chicken?
Wife, seems like Randy is very busy today.
I don't want no bread. I'm not giving no back to the pancakes. I'm not bought.
Here.
We're good. Alright, bye-bye. One man. Boss told me now.
A free chicken and eat. A free chicken.
So we're gonna try Randy's jerk chicken right now and let you know exactly how it tastes. And you know I'm honest, I'm not gonna tell you that.
Run this one.
It's not too dry.
How is that?
It's not too dry. And the sauce is very good.
You're sure, man?
Sauce is very good. Randy. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and
Tastes good. So tell them out where they can find you and all that.
yeah, man, some job store, man. Run the best there, yes, that good.
Run the best just food.
Yeah.
Really good, it's really good. Let me have two. No, you don't have to put this on the camera. Let me have 2 more quarters to bring home because this have to, no, it's talk about.
Yeah, man, run the best.
Subscribe. Why is it super cool?
Yeah, super cool Jamaica.
We can't pronounce very long.
Alright, hold on. Subscribe. Super cool Jamaica.
Subscribe, Super Cool Jamaica. Because you don't know, so we are not undertaker, we are overtaker. So you want no people in here ready.